Hey guys, welcome to 792 Princewood. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 stunner. The rule of real estate anymore is location, 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 and this house has it. You're in Washington Township, so normally with townships, taxes are lower. You also are in proximity to some of Kettering's best offerings, Fray's Pavilion, Town and Country, Lincoln Park, and then you are also in the Centerville School District. So coming into this one, huge porch right here, perfect for swings, chairs, hanging out, relaxing. Let's peek in the front door here. Give you the full scope of the home as you come into the front door. This is all new flooring all the way around. This is our gorgeous living room, fireplace mantel. Our dining area right there, double doors. These are all updated windows and doors. Coming down our hallway to our right, here is our bathroom. Dual vanity. Come back out here. First bedroom, and as you'll notice, underneath the new flooring that they have installed, all hardwood floors. And these are gorgeous hardwood floors. There's our first bedroom. All of the bedrooms do have fixtures in the ceiling already. Here's our second bedroom. Very generous sized bedrooms. Into our third bedroom. And the bedrooms are all really conveniently grouped. Perfect if you have a little one that you need to be close to at night, that you need to be able to get to. Coming back out. Come on around into our kitchen. That door right there leads out to our garage as well as our basement. All the appliances are included with this. Take a peek at our backyard real quick. Huge backyard on this one. Nice little patio area back here. A nice, huge again backyard. Perfect for entertaining, games of cornhole, with plenty of natural privacy. Right there we have it, guys. 792 Princewood. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll talk with you soon.